हेलो एवरीवन, एजुकेशनल मीन्स में आपका स्वागत है। हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे। Every year on January 26th, Republic Day is celebrated in India to mark the adoption of the Constitution, which was a significant turning point in the Indian history. This day honors India's transition from a British colony to a republic, ensuring that its people are subject to their own laws and values. Following India's independence on August 15, 1947, the path to this historic occasion began. The Constituent Assembly was established because the recently formed country required a strong foundation to run itself. The Indian Constitution was drafted in large part by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is frequently referred to as its main architect, also called the father of Indian Constitution. Together with other well-known leaders and legal professionals, he painstakingly drafted a constitution that would reflect the aspirations and values of a diverse and democratic nation. Debates, discussions, and amendments were made to meet a variety of concerns and viewpoints during the laborious and collecting drafting process. All through the draft constitution was finished on November 26, 1949. It was agreed that the first day of effect would be January 26, 1950. This date was selected to commemorate the Indian National Congress 1930 proclamation of Purna Swaraj or total independence, and so India became an independent, socialist, secular, and a democratic republic on January 26, 1950. On this historic occasion, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president of India, unfurled the flag and officially adopted the constitution to celebrate the lasting spirit of India's democracy. Republic Day is marked by patriotic fervor, cultural exhibition, and wonderful prints. Jai Hind.